In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly move your website to a new domain with HostGator. Let's dive into these steps to ensure a smooth transition for your online presence. First off, you'll need to log into your HostGator cPanel. This is the hub where all the magic begins. You'll use your web browser to navigate to the cPanel login page, entering your credentials carefully. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's usually a link to reset it. Once logged in, you'll see a dashboard filled with various options. The next crucial step is to back up your website files and database. This task is essential because it acts as a safety net, ensuring that you have a copy of your current website in case anything goes awry during the domain transfer. In your cPanel, find the backup wizard or backup section. Download the entire site, including files and databases, to your local device. Keep these backups in a secure place. They will save you a lot of headaches should you need them later. Now it's time to bring your new domain into the picture. You'll do this by adding it as an add-on domain if you want to keep your primary domain or directly updating the primary domain to your new one within HostGator. This option is available in your cPanel, and each choice has its justification. Add-on domains are useful for managing multiple sites under the same hosting plan, while updating the primary domain makes sense if you're completely transitioning to the new domain. With the domain set up, you'll need to make changes to your website's settings to reflect this new address. For WordPress users, navigate to the settings menu and update both your WordPress address and site address with the new domain name. For other content management systems, you'll have a similar setting to adjust. Make sure to save these changes. This step is vital for ensuring your site points to the correct domain. Next, let's delve into the nitty-gritty of URL management. The URLs in your database need updating to ensure all links and images point to the new domain. You'll need a search and replace tool for this. Many plugins and scripts are available for WordPress that can help with this task. Run the tool carefully, replacing all instances of the old domain with your new one. Moving on to DNS records, you'll change them to point the new domain to HostGator. This process involves accessing the DNS management section, either through your domain registrar or within HostGator if you've transferred the domain here. You'll need to update the A record and possibly the CNAME record. These changes can take some time to propagate, so patience is key. Finally, you'll want to test your website thoroughly on the new domain. Check every page, every link, and ensure all functionalities are intact. This thorough testing helps ensure that visitors experience a seamless transition. Thanks for following along. We hope these steps help you successfully transition your site to a new domain with HostGator. Happy hosting!